Next up, we have dependency theory. This theory builds on the ideas in Wallerstein's model, but focuses more closely on the historical relationship between colonizers and colonized nations. It argues that many poor countries today are still economically dependent on richer countries because of the way colonial systems were set up. In this view, developing countries were shaped to serve the interests of colonial powers. They were designed to grow cash crops like coffee and bananas, extract minerals, and provide cheap labor for richer colonizing countries. Even after gaining independence, these established economic patterns have continued. Raw materials continue to be extracted from the periphery and sent to the core, which processes them, extracts value, and either sells them back to the periphery at much higher prices or sells processed goods on to consumers in the core, with most of the profits kept by businesses in the core. Here's an example. Nigeria was colonized by the United Kingdom, but gained independence in 1960. Despite this, Nigeria is still highly dependent on European nations. Nigeria sells most of its oil to richer countries, which refine it into gasoline and other products, then sell it back to Nigeria at higher prices. This means Nigeria does not get the full benefit of its own resources and stays economically tied to wealthier nations. Dependency theory challenges the idea that all countries can develop by following the same path. Instead, it emphasizes the need to break cycles of dependency and restructure trade relationships to allow for more balanced and equitable growth. Okay, now I want to give you two things to help prep you for the exam. First is a checklist that goes over everything you need to know for AP Human Geography really fast. Read through it and highlight anything you don't know yet for further study. Second, I'll send you some free response practice questions so you can get some exam-style practice. You can grab both from the link in the description. This video has been a snippet from my full 5-hour course review that'll get you exam ready. Click the video on the screen to watch the whole thing.